Let me ask you a private question. When was the last time self-pleasure felt as good as it did when you were younger? For many men, masturbation in their 20s felt effortless. Vivid sensitivity, firm fullness, a strong rush of blood, and a powerful release. As the years pass, many notice that things change. Erections feel softer, sensation is dulled, and climax is not as strong. I am Dr. Fiona Grey, men's sexual health expert. Today I will show you how to use food as fuel to bring that feeling back. You will hear about one standout food to lead the way, along with several others that amplify blood flow, sensitivity, and stamina so you can revive your vitality naturally. First, why food matters. Erections are not random. They are driven by circulation and the signals that support it. Think of hydraulics. Blood must rush into the penis, fill the spongy erectile tissue, and stay there under gentle pressure. For that to happen, your arteries must be clear, your vessels flexible, and your body must release enough nitric oxide, the messenger that tells vessels to open. When this system runs smoothly, erections feel strong and responsive. When circulation weakens, less blood gets in, nerves signal less clearly, and release feels flat. This is not only about age. It is very often about the fuel you give your body every day. The right foods raise nitric oxide, support testosterone, and nourish the nervous system. The wrong foods, heavy in sugar, alcohol, and ultra-processed fats, clog the system and leave you sluggish. Begin with beets. Beets are one of nature's most powerful circulation boosters. They are rich in natural nitrates that your body converts into nitric oxide, the chemical that relaxes and opens blood vessels. More vessel relaxation means more blood flow, firmer fullness, and brighter sensation. Beets also help lower blood pressure and support stamina. You can drink beetroot juice, roast beets for salads, or stir beet powder into water or a smoothie. Form matters less than consistency. Many men notice a difference within a few weeks. Stronger morning firmness, quicker response, and the return of sensation they thought had faded. Add real dark chocolate. Not a candy bar, but dark chocolate that is rich and slightly bitter with at least 70% cocoa. Cocoa is packed with plant compounds that relax blood vessels, improve flow, and calm low-grade inflammation that stiffens arteries with age. Dark chocolate also lifts pleasure chemistry in the brain, supporting arousal and a more powerful climax. A small square or two a few times a week is enough. Think of it as medicine dressed as dessert, enjoyed slowly and in moderation. Consider oysters and other foods rich in zinc. Oysters are famous for a reason. Zinc supports healthy testosterone production, which in turn supports desire, firmness, and the satisfying kick of a strong release. If oysters are not for you, reach for pumpkin seeds, beef, chickpeas, and beans. Correcting a low zinc intake often restores not only firmness, but also the intensity of orgasm. Bring in watermelon. This simple fruit contains the amino acid citrulline, which the body converts to arginine, and then to nitric oxide. That same relaxation of the arteries that helps athletes go longer also helps you stay firm longer and respond more quickly. Fresh slices or a blended drink are easy, pleasant ways to keep pelvic circulation steady. Do not forget walnuts. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids that keep arteries flexible and responsive, so blood moves easily into erectile tissue. They also provide nutrients that support nerve health. Nerves are the quiet heroes of sexual function. They carry the signals from brain to body that build and sustain arousal. A small handful of walnuts each day, or other omega-3 sources such as salmon, sardines, and ground flax, helps sharpen sensation and improve response over time. Finish with pomegranate. Long honored for vitality and now supported by research, pomegranate is loaded with antioxidants that protect blood vessels, reduce plaque, and improve circulation. Stronger, cleaner arteries mean stronger erections. Pomegranate may also support a healthier testosterone environment and a better mood. Many men who make it a habit report not only firmer erections, but also a fuller, more satisfying release. Enjoy the seeds on salads, the whole fruit, or a daily glass of pure pomegranate juice. Here's the takeaway. If you want self-pleasure and intimacy to feel closer to how they felt in your 20s, you do not need gimmicks. You need fuel. Beets raise nitric oxide. Dark chocolate relaxes vessels and lifts pleasure chemistry. Zinc-rich foods support testosterone. Watermelon feeds the nitric oxide pathway. Walnuts support arteries and nerves, and pomegranate protects and clears the blood flow highways. Together, they create the conditions for firmer erections, sharper sensation, and more powerful climaxes. Your best days are not behind you. Your body can do more than you realize when you give it the right tools. Eat these foods regularly, and within weeks, notice more energy, more desire, more confidence, and more satisfying solo and partnered experiences. If this helped you, share it with someone who needs the reminder that performance is shaped by daily choices and better fuel. And for men who want to go one step further, there are natural supplements that can help. You can find the links for both in the video description and comments below. Two that I recommend most often are organic watermelon extract, rich in the amino acid citrulline to support nitric oxide and circulation, and an advanced formula that combines icarian, tonkat ali, fenugreek, nettle root, and citrulline to support every aspect of male performance, from erections and stamina to testosterone and prostate health.